Hi everyone, welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be using fall colors and I'm going to try to recreate what I did about a year and a half ago. And that's swiping, it looks like leaves on a tree, but I'm going to be using all these beautiful fall colors. This is 16 by 20 used canvas. I'm going to have a black background instead of a white background, and we'll just see how that goes. I am hoping for fall. It's California. We have a lot of smoke right now. We really need the rain for the fires, so sort of put me in the fall mood. So if you're from California or watching this, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know where you're from and if you can see and smell the smoke. It's pretty bad up here at Grass Valley. Okay, let me go over the colors. Sorry, they had the fan going in the background. I know it was a little noisy. This first color is Creative Inspirations. What is this? Yellow Ochre. This is 24 Karat by Deco Art with some black added to it to make it a little darker. This is actually a leftover paint. This is Burnt Sienna by Creative Inspirations. I made this color, so I did that a long time ago. I'm not sure, you know, red, orange, some yellow. It's a persimmon looking color. This one is Dorado Gold, a leftover color by Chroma Molten Metals. And this one is Artist Loft Copper. So for the background, I'm going to be using this. It's not quite a pure black. This is a leftover from a canvas I scraped, and it has pewter in it, black and phthalo blue and gold. So it has a little shimmer to it. So I'm going to be laying that down, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get a fall looking tree going. So I'm going to go ahead and put the base coat on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I have my base coat down. I popped the bubbles. Whoops, I saw one little thing here. And what I am doing is I put 2 drops of the Spot On Treadmill silicone in each cup. I think I'm going to go ahead and pour this, swipe with a regular Artist Loft black, swipe over the colors with this. And I did forget to mention that all the colors that aren't metallic, I added an iridescent medium Artist Loft. Just a little bit, just to give it that little sparkle. So I have some other colors mixed up, and we'll talk about those after doing the tree and maybe some grass down here. So let's get started. Okay, we'll see the silicone do its thing, but it's not what I hoped for. It's cool though. I like it. I really like it. Just when you have something in your mind and it doesn't turn out. And I didn't film how I did the other one, so I think I did it this way. but I put too much color and it pulled it too far down. But man, the cells look really cool. I like it. So I'm going to wait about 10 minutes and then I'll bring you back down. I could make this a tree, but it's, I don't know, it's not, it would be a little difficult. I needed some black area down here. I mean, I could, you know, go like that and paint this black, which I might do. I can just paint that black and make, I don't know. I'm just talking. Anyway, guys, I will try again to make the fall tree. Okay. So I think I know what I did wrong. I'm going to try it on this little 8x10. I'm going to do it with white. So I already have my background down. It's Artist Loft white with some Floetrol. So let's do it again. I'm going to put it on there a little thicker. I know what I did wrong, and you'll see when I do this what I did wrong. I can use more paint. I still want to do this in black, but first I need to see if I can copy what I already did on that other white one. I should have done this 8x10 first. That makes sense. You get where I'm going now, right? I knew there was a trick to it. It's been so long. When you don't film everything, I didn't write it down. It just didn't make sense. Okay. Okay, there I go. And what I'm going to do is swipe this way instead of swiping that way. And I'm hoping that it's going to give me the look I want. Pour some more white here. Go ahead and get this. So let's see what happens here. Okay, let's hope those colors come through. I'm gonna give it a minute, let the dog out. Okay, the cells are starting to come up. I wish I would have had more coming down a little further, because when you have that white paint and it's pulling it this way, it's, you know, you're not going to see where it really starts. A little bit color under there. And just a little bit more. So I probably needed to start down here a little bit further, but now you got the idea. So the way you're looking at it is the tree coming down, and I think next time I need to put some maybe splotches of color here just to show maybe the leaves are falling. So I can make a tree trunk right here, put some grass down here, and see how that goes. So I'll bring you back. Okay, now I'm putting some green just at the bottom. Green and a light brown color. Just stringing it along there, mixing it together. Got some olive green put in there too. Okay, I'm going to take my little barbecue brush and I'm going to wisp it up like leaves or grass growing. Just dry it off in between, just a little wispy. I'd probably do a little lighter touch if I could. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be even. You can go back over it. Tall grass, and then you have the grass more up above. So take your barbecue skewer, wherever it is, and since this sort of made a hard edge, just go ahead and bring that grass on up. Okay, I think that's all for the grass. You can't see it very well. Now I'm going to put a tree in. I am going to go ahead and just put it on with a stick. So I have this brown color, and I'm going to bring it right up here, just like I did with the other one. For right now, this little 8x10, there you go, a little fall tree. Like I said, I need to next time put some dots here where the leaves can be falling, but I'm going to do it on the big one. In the meantime, I like how the big one turned out. It's very fall colors. I'm going to go ahead and leave that, and we'll shoot for a bigger one next time. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.